hyphen mistakes.
Who makes more mistakes, the leader or the follower? One, two, triples. And as you turn, keep that toe on the ground to make sure you have a nice clean pencil turn as opposed to
Doggy style.
rock, replace. That right knee is gonna be bent, and as you straighten it, keep your body vertical, and then you can do your next shot set.
There is no sway or leaning.
When you rock step back, you're gonna try to keep this hand between the two of you. Rock, replace. Now she has a wall to work off of, so I'm not gonna actually push her. I'm just gonna shift my weight, and then she can use that, as opposed to trying to shove her around. Two backward. Rock, replace. Keep your nose over your toes, your tits over your toes, so everything's aligned. Nose, balls, toes. Do not let your balls go somewhere else, all right? Keep them underneath you. It's all tied up. Who makes the biggest mistake of all? About to find out.
You're going into the turn, it's very tempting to think that you have to lift up. And you can lift up, but your shoulders actually have to press down, not up.
Oh!
Go to it. And from here, shoulders down into your back.
Nice.
Yeah! Long neck, heavy shoulders.
And you know what this means? Victory!
Well,
Yeah.
it is not even fair. The leader just freaking does a chasse.
There are your top 5 mistakes in Jive. Do you agree with our list? If you don't, you can make a comment below.
Should the follower really have lost?
Actually, the reality is, yes.
Because she has the harder part.
It really is a tie because the leaders will do that step with the shoulders really high too. That's one of the reasons the arm comes up.
Haha, see the truth
Did I
is
just
out
slip
now.
out just now? Shit.
That's all we have to say about that.
We look forward to seeing you in the next video.
Bye!